If you are looking for a simple 2D CAD software for design or drafting, you have probably come across LibreCAD and QCAD. Both are lightweight tools mainly used for technical drawings, floor plans, and mechanical designs. But which one is better for beginners? In this video, we'll quickly compare features, ease of use, pricing, and performance to help you decide. What is LibreCAD? LibreCAD is a free and open source 2D CAD program. It is designed for users who need a simple tool for creating technical drawings without paying for expensive CAD software. Key highlights: completely free, open source, works on Windows, macOS, and Linux, supports the XF file format. However, LibreCAD is strictly for 2D design, so you won't get any 3D modeling features. What is QCAD? QCAD is another 2D CAD software focused on simplicity and professional drafting. It also supports DXF files and runs on Windows, macOS, and Linux. The key difference is that QCAD has two versions: a free community edition, a paid professional version with extra tools. The paid version adds features like advanced modification tools and additional libraries. Ease of use. For beginners, both tools are fairly simple, but there are small differences. LibreCAD has a clean interface, but it can feel slightly outdated and may take some time to learn where everything is. QCAD generally feels more polished and organized, which makes it a bit easier for beginners to start drawing quickly. So if usability is your top priority, QCAD has a small advantage. Features comparison. Both programs support the most important 2D CAD tools like lines and shapes, dimensions, layers, snapping tools, DXF import and export. However, QCAD offers more advanced tools in the professional version, including better modification tools and additional drawing features. Meanwhile, LibreCAD focuses on providing essential tools completely free. Pricing. Pricing is one of the biggest differences. LibreCAD is 100% free with no paid version. QCAD has a free version, but the professional version requires a one-time purchase if you want all features. Final verdict. So which one should you choose for beginners? Choose LibreCAD if you want a completely free CAD tool. If you only need basic 2D drafting, choose QCAD if you want a more polished interface and if you may upgrade to advanced features later. Overall, both are great beginner options, but QCAD is slightly easier to learn, while LibreCAD is the best free choice. And that's all for today's comparison. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like and subscribe, and turn on the bell icon to get all the new about such topics or such softwares. Share this video to your friend who wants to know more about LibreCAD or QCAD. Thank you for watching and see you in a new comparison video.